In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an n8n webhook in 2025. This will be especially useful if you want to connect n8n with any external services, like a CRM, a payment gateway, or a form submission tool, to automate how they interact with each other. Okay, let's get started. To begin, you want to create a new workflow in n8n. It's straightforward. Head over to the Workflows tab and click on Add Workflow. This new workflow will act as the hub to receive data from your external service and kickstart subsequent actions you desire. Once you've created your workflow, the next step is to add the webhook node. This is the part of your workflow that will listen for external signals. Simply click the plus icon to add a new step, then scroll through the list until you find the webhook node. Select it and let n8n do its magic to set it up for you. Now let's configure the webhook node. Here, you'll find there's both a test URL and a production URL. The key thing you'll need to do is copy that production URL. This is the address that you'll be providing to your external service, allowing it to send data whenever an event occurs. With that production URL in hand, pop over to your external service. Most services, whether it's a CRM, a payment gateway, or even a simple form submission tool, have a section for webhook settings. Find this in your external service settings. You're going to paste that production URL you just copied into the webhook URL field provided by your external service. This effectively sets up the line of communication between your service and n8n. Now it's time to test the connection. Go back to your n8n workflow and find the webhook node once again. Click on the Listen for Test Events button. This is your green light, indicating that n8n is ready and waiting to receive data. Trigger an event in your external service. This could be submitting a form, completing a payment, or any action that would generate a bit of data to send through. Alternatively, if you're up for a bit of DIY testing, open a new browser tab and paste the production URL into the address bar. Don't forget to add any required query parameters, like name =sign value if your application needs them. Once you've done this, keep an eye on n8n. It should register the incoming event and kick off your workflow. You'll see the data appear in the interface, confirming that it's successfully received. This data is now available for you to use in any subsequent nodes in your workflow, allowing you to build on it for further processing or analysis. And there you have it. You're now ready to automate your tasks by setting up an n8n webhook in 2025. This setup will enhance your workflow by empowering seamless data transfer between n8n and your external systems. Keep experimenting to explore new possibilities with n8n.